Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Probability Miscellaneous Exercise question number 5. Let's see the question. Out of 100 students, two sections of 40 and 60 are formed. If you and your friend are among 100 students, what is the probability that here two sections, let us take section A equal to 40 and section B equal to 60. Now total number of students is 100. What is the probability that you both enter the same section? That means you are compulsory entering in A. If you both if you are entering in A, then your friend will also enter in A. Same. If you are entering in B, then your friend will also enter in B. This is the first subdivision. So in this, I am going to take two cases that you are entering in A. A, as they have asked the entering of A or B. You can enter A or otherwise you can enter B. Now in case 1, let me take for section A. In section A, your sample space N of S will be from this 40 students will be going in, 40 students will be selected for section A. In from this 100 students, 40 will be selected for section A, so it becomes 100 C40. It will be of any combination, it is not a permutation because we can select any type of students. Here the given condition is you two enter in section A. So you are all compulsory, you both are compulsory are in section A. So leaving the two, there are choices of selecting another 38 students for section A. There is only 40 students, already you both are there in section A. So we need to select another 38 students from this 100 to go in section A. So your condition will be probability equal to here from 38 students. So balance there will be only 98 because you both have entered to section A. There is a compulsory that you both are entering section A. So leaving leaving you two, there are 98 students will be selected. From 98 we need to select 38 students for section A. By the overall total is 100 C40. This is for probability A. Now in case 2 we are taking for section B. Section B, N of S is equal to, we need to select 60 students from this 100 students. So it is 100 C60 for section B, as you both enter section B. It's a compulsory that you both are entering in section B. So leaving you both, the balance 98 students, from the 98 I need to select to section B. That is from 98 student I need to select 58 students only because already you both are there in section B. So it's a quite twisted question, don't get confused. This is for section B, probability of section B. Now they are asked either. Either means this or this means it's a union. So P of A union B equal to (98C38) by 100C40 plus 98C58 by 100C40. So let us calculate it separately. Let us solve the sum. It is 98 factorial by n minus r factorial. So 98 minus 58 factorial into 38 factorial by, for 100C40 it is 100 factorial by 100 minus 40 factorial into 40 factorial plus same way 98 factorial by 98 minus 58 factorial into 58 factorial by 100 factorial by 100 minus 40 factorial into 40 factorial. Now let us calculate it separately. Here it becomes 98 factorial by 60 factorial, it is 3, so 60 factorial by 38 factorial by, let me take to the reciprocal side, it becomes 40 factorial into 60 factorial by 100 factorial plus here 98 factorial by 40 factorial into 58 factorial into, I am taking this as reciprocal, so 100 will come down. Here it becomes 60 factorial into 40 factorial. We can cancel this 60 factorial. Now here 40 factorial. I can write this as by 9. This can be written as 40 into 39 into 38 factorial because we have 38 here. Remove the bigger one to the smaller one. So 100 into 99 into 98 factorial. Here 98 factorial will go off. Here this 2 will go off. Plus same way, keep the smaller as it is. Change the bigger number. That is, here it becomes 60 into 59 into 58 factorial by 100 into 99 into 98 factorial. So this 98 factorial will go off and 58 factorial will go off. Here it becomes 40 into 39 by 100 into 99 plus 60 into 59 by 100 into 99. Goes in 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. It is 26 by 165 plus, here it is 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. Three threes are 9, 3 threes are 9. So it is 59 by 165, which is nothing but 85 by 165. We can cancel this both. It goes in 5 tables. This is your final answer for the sum. For the first subdivision, you both enter the same section. So the both enter the same section is 17 by 33. In the second subdivision, they ask for both enter in different sections. Both enter different section. This is nothing but 1 minus both enter the same section. So 1 minus 17 by 33. So it becomes 33. So it is 16 by 33 is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.